Okay, so we have a theme for Sign UK this year. It's all in our publication, The Bigger Picture, and it's all about diversity. It's about getting people to think about diversity within their businesses. So it's getting people who have flexible media machines to think about flatbeds, flatbed users to think about having cutters, get people thinking about the various different applications they can do with the kit they've got. So as you can see on our stand, we've got lots and lots of illustrations of different applications. So we've got fabrics, we've got the usual vinyls, we've got wallpaper, we've even got a chair covered in latex material. So obviously we're inviting people to come and have a look at that and just think about the various opportunities they have within their business to develop and grow.
And why is Sign Digital the best show to do that for your business?
Okay, it's a very large collection of people that Perfect Colours wants to connect with, and they're all here in one place. So we have a lot of reps out on the road going and visiting people, but this is a great 3-day event where we can get everyone together in one place and see them at one time.
And have you made any sales? Can you tell us about any sales?
Yes, we certainly made some sales. The FB machine behind us, I'm not sure if that's in shot. Hewlett Packard Flatbed 550, we have sold that. The Gotex 2.6 metre, the new fabric machine which debuts here for us today, we've sold that. The Kongsberg machine, which again I'm not sure is in shot behind me, we've also sold that, and a number of latexes, HP latexes and HP Z series. So far, a really successful show.
Do you think you'll be back next year?
We'll be definitely back next year, different offering, different message. Okay, so the theme of our show is The Bigger Picture, which is in our magazine, and the show's all about diversity. So we're asking people to think about diversifying in their business. So if they have flexible media machines, are they thinking about a flatbed? If they have a flatbed, are they thinking about a cutter? We're also showing a vast variety of applications at the show. So we're showing fabrics, we're showing wallpapers, we're showing banner materials, lots and lots of opportunities for people to grow their business.
And why is Sign Digital the right show to do all of these things?
Sign UK is a great show for Perfect Colours because it allows us to get a lot of people together in the right place at the right time. Perfect Colours has a lot of sales reps. We go around the country visiting people. But this is a great 3-day event where we can get everyone together at the same time, connect with those people, meet them and hopefully help them grow their businesses.
Can you tell us about any sales?
Perfect Colours has made 5 or 6 sales already at the show. So the FB 550, which I'm not sure is in shot behind me, we've sold that. The Gotex machine, which makes a debut at Sign UK, we've also sold that. The Kongsberg machine behind me, which I'm not sure is in shot, is also behind. We've also sold. So we've made some good sales. We've also sold a vast number of L300 series latexes and Z series machines. So far for Perfect Colours, a very successful show.
And you think you'll be back next year?
We'll certainly be back next year, hopefully with some new things and some new messages for our customers.
We have found that Sign Digital is always a really good forum for presenting our new products, for meeting our customers. It's great for our sales team who work on telephone during the week to actually meet, make friends and make contact with the people who they work with regularly. So that's a good opportunity to build relationships and work together really with the customers.
And you launched a new product. Do you want to tell us a bit about that?
Yes, we brought 4 new products to the market to present at Sign UK. One of them is a sign here, which is cutting new territory by having shape and silhouette, which is completely a new direction, moving away from just rectangular posters and rectangular sign designs really. We wanted to bring in a bit of shape and a bit of fun and adventure.
Why is Sign Digital the right place to launch that product?
Because it's a chance to get the feedback from the industry itself. You know, as much as anything, we cut our own furrow really by design, but by presenting a sign at a show, it's a really good chance to get the feedback and also get indicators how best to take the sign forward in the market as well.
Can I ask you that one again, and can you do it as a full sentence? So Sign Digital is instead of because. Why have you chosen to launch your product at Sign Digital?
Sign Digital is a really good opportunity to meet our customers, to make contact, and for our sales team to meet their trade customers as well. So it has worked very well for us in past years, and we'll continue to do so. So at that level, we'll be looking to come back to Sign & Digital next year as well. We find that Sign & Digital is a really good opportunity to meet our customers and a chance for our sales team to meet up with the people they speak to on the telephone. It's also a good opportunity to get feedback from trade customers anyway, and from visitors to the show, visiting our stand.
What about the quality of the exhibitors you've spoken to, the visitors who've spoken to you so far? Has there been a good quality of visitors?
Yes, on our stand we've had a variety of visitors from new startup companies, people doing their research and wanting to expand the product ranges, and they see our signs as a very good plug-in add-on and a good chassis really for doing their own sign printings, their own sign developments and customer-centered development. So that works very well, I think, and it's interesting knowing people coming from sunblind industries or embroidery businesses, all intending to expand their product ranges. So it's an exciting opportunity to build new business.
Can you tell us why you've launched a new sign here at the show?
We find that the show is a very good chance to get feedback on new products and to communicate our new products to people all in one centred location. Works very well for us, and at that level we'll continue to come back to Sign & Digital at every future year opportunity.
We decide to exhibit at Sign & Digital every single year because it's the premier sign and graphics exhibition in the UK. It gives us a chance to bring our latest kit to the stand, along with our really close network of Roland DG authorised dealers, and show all of the end users, all of the new applications and profit-driving production processes that they can bring to their own businesses.
And it's been a successful show, you've had some good leads.
So far this year has been really successful. We've had a lot of traffic to the stand. We've had a significantly increased number of leads. We're only halfway through day 2, so I'm hoping that trend continues for the rest of the show. And we've also had lots of people visiting the stand for our Scratch and Win scratch card prize draw.
And you've launched a lot of new products. Why do you choose to launch products at Sign & Digital?
We choose to launch products at Sign & Digital because it gives us the platform to get the product in front of the customer. At the end of the day, people can read about products on websites and in brochures, but until they get to see those beautiful glossy prints in person and show the quality and the speed of all of our technology, then they'll be able to kind of see the proofs in the pudding.
And do you think you'll be back at Sign & Digital next year?
We'll definitely be returning to Sign & Digital next year. We're here every year. We've been one of the longest standing supporters of the show, and we'll continue to exhibit along with our authorised dealers, and we'll be looking forward to it again next year.
Well, normally our biggest show of the year is actually another one called Printwear and Promotion, which is textile. So we come to Sign & Digital to pick a different type of customer up, and I think we've exhibited here for the last 3 or 4 years now, and we just find it very successful actually, picking up the new, mainly not the screen printers, but the signage people who want to add on to their business and add on embroidery or direct garment printing. So that's why we come forward to pick up new business really. Yeah.
Can we try it one more time?
Yeah.
Would it be okay if we don't mention the other show? Can we just,
By all means, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
A little bit of a pause between the
Yeah.
packages.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So what are your main reasons for exhibiting at Sign & Digital?
Well, looking for new business, business that we don't normally attract through our normal advertising or road shows and things like that. And we're looking for people that's in the signage industry mainly, that want to add on to their business and use their database to bring in more money, more profits. Yeah. Because we sell embroidery machines, direct garment printers and transfer material for personalising clothing.
And what do you look forward to about exhibiting it? Are there sales, good leads, good quality business?
We do get some direct sales. Mainly it's getting good leads so we can invite them back to our showrooms for a more in-depth demonstration on the products. Sorry,
Just get
go on
the
here.
full sentence in. So we come to Sign and Digital for.
Yeah.
So just get the question and the answer. Okay. So what are your main reasons for exhibiting at Sign and Digital?
Really, well, like I said, to get new leads, new business, and to generate stuff from other industries. You know, yeah.
Do you think you'll be back next year?
We've already signed up for this stand, yeah.
Do we do it again? So my question won't be heard. So
Okay.
we'll be back next year.
Yes, I've got to wait. Yes, we've already signed up for next year because yesterday was so good. We want to make sure we're in the same spot next year.
The main reasons we exhibit at Sign and Digital is to see both existing customers and to find brand new customers. That's the main reason, I think, for any show. And the beauty of Sign and Digital is that it's probably now the longest established show that we have in the UK for both this industry and now also for the sort of print industry, which it's moved quite nicely into. So it's a perfect sort of vehicle for us to see all these customers, show them what's new, let them know what we've bought this year, what's new from us, but also for them to see what's actually new in the industry.
And do you think you'll be coming back next year?
Will we be back next year? Of course we will. We've been here for the last 25 years and never missed a year. So actually we've already booked our stand for next year. We booked it yesterday on the first morning. That's the sort of belief we have in Sign and Digital. We've never missed, and as far as we can tell, I don't think we ever will.
And have you met some interesting leads, made some good leads with customers?
As far as the leads and the sort of people we've met, yeah, we always meet customers we know, but we've also met customers that we don't know, and that's what exhibitions are really about. It's nice to catch up with all the customers that are old and old acquaintances, but really we want to see all the new ones as well. So anything we can do to encourage new people to come along is, from our point of view, is brilliant, because we need those new customers to continue to grow.
Have you launched any new products this year?
As far as new products goes, last year we knew about a lot of new products that we had, but this year we actually have them. So if you look at our automotive range of sort of colour change materials, we've got now one of the largest in the world with well over 170 different choices. That's carbons, leathers, just normal colour change materials in polymerics and also in our cast materials. Plus our Graphi-Wrap material that we've done for the last sort of 17, 18 years now.
Well, our main reasons for exhibiting at Sign and Digital are that it's such a great show. I mean, we come every year and we have done for 8 years because we know that the people that are here, they're here looking to buy, and that's why we're here. We've got lots of great offers and we know that we can make some good conversations with people, and that sort of sets us up nicely for the rest of the year.
Have you chosen to launch any products this year? Have you launched any products?
We haven't launched any new products at the show. Obviously there were some announcements made earlier in the year, but there's nothing new specifically at the show. But for us at GPT, we've announced a relationship with Intercoat, which is a large German media manufacturer. They make lots of plastic vinyls, self-adhesive vinyls, and they work really well with our printer ranges.
And how have you found the footfall at the show so far?
The show has been it's quite lively. It's been a good vibe here. Lots of good conversations being had. People seem quite happy and comfortable with what's happening. It goes in waves as it does. So you get really busy for a while and then you can breathe for a moment. But essentially it's been good. Been some good visitors and some good conversations.
And do you think you'll be back next year?
Oh, I'm sure we'll be back next year. Yes, it's definitely our biggest sort of show of the year that we do as a company. And yeah, we'll be back.
The main reason we chose to exhibit at Sign and Digital was to launch our new products that we come into. I'll stop that again if that's okay.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah, of course.
So can you tell us what are the main reasons you've chosen to exhibit at Sign and Digital?
Sign and Digital is the main show for us in the UK. We're launching 2 amazing products here at MTEX. We're launching our pigment inks and we're launching also our new 5032HS. It's the first UK showing of both of these devices at Sign and Digital.
Can you tell us a bit about why you've chosen to launch those products here?
Sign and Digital really for us is the main show in the year. It allows great customer footfall. It allows many clients to come to the show, see the machines in full production. And we're always delighted to attend the show and run our machines to their full capacity, so customers can actually see what they can gain and how they can earn money from textiles and the growth of digital textile.
And you've had a lot of strong leads, a lot of sales so far?
Well, that's been great leads, and we've closed a couple of sales as well, which is fantastic. It plays for the show. That's the most important thing for us, but also allows in our marketing budgets to gain momentum and traction with digital textile.
And will you be back next year?
Of course, 2017 again will be a great year for us. The digital textile growth is continuing. The traction we've gained within the marketplace of exhibiting at Sign and Digital is lost myself in that sentence, so I'll start that one again. AIMTEX will definitely be back in 2017 at Sign and Digital. It's the premier show for us for launching new products and inviting our customers to see the machines printing in real life.
Well, this is probably the 19th time we've been here at Sign Digital, and we come here to meet our existing customers. Initially, we started to come out and get customers, which we still do to a fairly good extent, but mainly it's to see our long-term, loyal customers and just meet and greet, say hello to them, make them a cup of tea, and show them new products and extended ranges that they're currently using, that sort of thing.
And you've got some new products and new lines. Why do you come to show them off at Sign on Digital?
We bring our new products to Sign and Digital every year. We like to launch something new or introduce an extension of the range every year, because we do know a lot of the people, they always want to see what's new, what have you got, what can you give me that's enhancing what I'm currently doing. So this year we've got extended ranges of balance tools, of our knives for plotting tables. So whatever brand of plotting table you have, we have a knife, to exemplary standards and perfect pricing. I've already booked. I booked to come back next year. Sorry, I did that the wrong way around for you, didn't I? Do you want me to go again with that one? Okay. So we already booked again for next year. We booked yesterday, which was the opening day. I'm having the same stand number, same space. It's a great platform for us to meet and greet our customers.
Yes, so we've chosen to exhibit here at Sign and Digital this year because we want to reach out to our local customers. We are a British company. We manufacture in the UK, and we see being a local company as a big advantage for sign makers who would like to purchase a machine that's designed and built here in the UK, with the advantages of local support and perhaps a more friendly service than from buying a machine from overseas.
And have you met the sort of customers you were hoping to meet?
We have. Sorry, I'll start again. So here at Sign and Digital, we have met the sorts of customers we were hoping to meet. So we really want to meet not just our existing customers, but we're always pleased to meet them here at the show and to talk to them about the potential for maybe an upgrade in the future, or to sell them consumables that we're able to offer here at the show. But also, it's really exciting to meet new customers that we haven't heard of before. And we've seen a lot of new customers here at this show, perhaps more than ever this year. We've seen new faces, and it's really great for us to be able to expand our marketing and to have new people that we can discuss some of the latest machines and the new technology that we're bringing out here at Sign and Digital.
And you've got some new software. Why is Sign and Digital the right show to be launching at?
Sign and Digital is a good show for us to be able to launch new products because it's a smaller show than a show like FESPA, and we are able to to be able to do a more, a demonstration, a friendly demonstration in front of the customers, where it's not quite so busy with the huge number of audience and people stopping at some of the other shows. So we really enjoy being here at Sign and Digital because we're able to offer one-to-one time with some of the key customers that are interested in the new software and developments that we've got here on this machine.
Do you think you'll be back next year?
So Blackman and White will definitely be back next year because we see that of the shows that we attend during the year, Sign and Digital is perhaps the most lucrative for us in terms of the cost for the show and the payback in terms of the orders and interest that we get from the show.
This is our, I think, 8th show at Sign UK. We come every year. It's great to meet our customers, but every year we seem to meet new people with new print challenges, and it's great to find solutions that can help them and get us some more business at the same time. It's great for doing sales at the show. It's really good. And you've had a lot of sales this show? Yeah, so far, we've done a great number of sales both on Roland and Mamaki kit. We've been really happy with the response we've had to our products. The show seems to attract some great buying customers, but also customers looking at how they might diversify their print business, offer new products to their customers, and how we can help them achieve that. Yeah. Can you tell us some of the sales we've had? Has one bit of machinery done really well? Yeah, we've had a new range of printers from Roland, an LEF 300, which is a small flatbed LED printer. Great for promotional printing, and that's had a great response. We've done a large number of those on the first day and on the second day. I think it's going to be the most popular product this year so far. Can I get you to say that one again without saying yes? Oh, yeah. We've had a fantastic show because. Sure, yeah. Okay, so tell us a bit about some of your sales. We've had a fantastic show so far. We've sold a huge number of a variety of products. There's been one product in particular that seems to have been a real hit. We had a new Roland printer, which mostly focuses on promotional printers, but has had a real variety of kind of customers come to us. I sold a large number of those first day and the second day, and I think it's going to be the biggest seller of the show. And are you planning on coming back next year? We've already been looking at the floor plan, trying to figure out our tactics for next year, but we'll definitely be back.
Yeah, we chose to exhibit at Sign and Digital because it finds precisely the audience we're looking for the equipment we have to sell. So it's specialised in its nature, and we come here because we're likely to meet people who have a serious prospect of selling that hardware to. They have a job for it to do, and it's a very particular job, very specific audience. So that's why we've chosen to come here. We could have gone to an engineering show, but I doubt we'd have met the calibre of people we find here. We've used this as a lead gathering exercise. Our methodology when we come here, we'll meet a lot of people we already know, is to meet and greet and show people the latest developments and so on. But to our admitted surprise, we've actually had people here who have been ready to invest. So I'm pleased to say we've sold 4 significantly priced pieces of equipment since we've been here, and there's a real prospect of turning that into 6 or maybe 7 before we leave the show. Yeah. We've already booked our position for the show next year, so yes, we'll be here. We'll have a bigger booth still and yet another machine to show to people.
Well, Sign and Digital gives us a great chance as a distributor of Mamaki equipment to showcase our new models and the wide range of products that we have. It gives an opportunity for us to meet customers old and new and also support our resellers. We have 7 here today or this week at the show who primarily are the main sellers of our product, and we're here as a distributor to support them, to meet, as I say, to meet customers, to listen to what their needs are for future products. But the main thing, of course, is to actually show what the wide range of Mamaki products, and what better place than a central location of the NEC and a great show like Sign and Digital. Hybrid is also celebrating its 20th year this year in October in business, and we've been to the last 2020 Sign UK, so it's always proved to be a massive success, and our stands seem to be getting bigger as the machines become bigger, bigger customer base, so it's a great opportunity to show how great Hybrid is and how great Mamaki is.
Can you tell us a little bit about the quality of the leads and the sales that you've made at the show?
Yeah, I can. The quality of the leads is generally, certainly over the last couple of years, has been higher. I think the number of people that we actually talk to has probably stayed around about the same, but the quality's got higher. I think the reasons for that is that our marketing, our advertising, the internet, all the information you can get, people are a lot more aware now of what they need before they come to the show. And what they do is they come to here to see the machines in the flesh, meet us as a company, see what the machines do. Some of them are looking for great deals, and obviously there are show offers, but it gives us that great opportunity.
And you often choose to launch products
We do indeed, and this year's no different. Again, because it is the number one show in the UK, it's absolutely fantastic environment to launch new products, because we get, as I say, not only in a previous comment, we get new customers, we get current customers, and what we see is as we launch new machines, they tend to be, as you can see from on the stand, they tend to be bigger machines. So we tend to see a lot of customers looking to upgrade to bigger technology or faster printing or different technologies. So what better place again to show new products? It's a great way to actually get the new products in front of the sign making, the graphic making public. That's why they come to Sign UK, and that's why we're here. We launched new products at Sign Digital because it's a showcase exhibition for our customers to come to, and what a great platform to see the widest group of companies that are into graphic production in the UK. And that's the main reason. We can capture as many customers at this event over 3 days that would take many, many pages of advertising and other methods of promotion, and that's why we do it.
And will you be back next year?
Absolutely.
We will absolutely be back next year.
Okay. Ask me again then.
Do you think you'll be back next year?
Absolutely, we'll be back next year.
HP always comes to Sign Digital. It's still a selling show. People come to the show to buy machines. That's what we're here for. We've got a range of technologies. The latex devices are selling off the stand as per normal. PageWide's doing really well, and the DesignJet's doing really well as well. Our UV flatbeds are selling too, and we come here because it's such a selling show. It always has been, and it always will be.
Can you tell us a bit about the quality of visitors that you've seen?
What we've seen particularly today, and a little bit yesterday, is that people are coming because they're serious about looking at the technologies that are available. They've come here to make a decision, and they're making the decisions. What we find is that people aren't here to waste time. They don't have time to come out of their business unless they're doing something positive. So they're here to see the technologies and to buy.
And do you think you'll be back next year?
I would expect. We've always got something interesting to talk about at Sign Digital, so I'd expect that we'll be coming back to the show again.
We chose to exhibit at the Sign Show because all of our customers attend. Our previous customers come to look for new products, and in doing so visit our stand, and we generate new sales. New customers are here looking to improve their businesses, and through word of mouth they've come to see us too. So it hits every section of our target audience, and every single year we've been here, we've been doing it quite a few years, we generate a whole new base of customers, and it's successful for us in a nutshell, very successful, and we're happy to book up already for next year.
And have you had a lot of good leads? Have you made a lot of sales? Can you tell us a bit about that?
We've had a lot of good leads. We've sold at least a dozen large pieces of kit in just the first 2 days of the show. So year on year our sales are improving, and we put a lot of it down to the fact that we're here right in the centre of the Sign Show where our exposure is so great. We expect to do better than we did last year, and last year was a really bumpy year for us. So overall, leads have increased. Our future sales will be improved because we've been here, and we're happy participants in the Sign Show. So we've generated loads of leads since we've been here. In the first 2 days, we generated even more than we had last year, and last year was very successful at the Sign Digital show. We expect next year when we do the show to improve again, because all of the new leads that we generated this year will be coming back to improve their businesses. So overall, we're very happy with the leads and the business generated at the Sign Digital show.